Welcome back, everybody. I am the Jimmer, and this is the 100K Pirate Ship Battle Royale Tournament for From the Depths. And this is our final battle in round one. And our contestants we are looking at the Future Maritime Rating System by God Uranus. And doing some interesting maneuvers here. I'm assuming this is intentional. Oh, very cool. So it keeps its sails. That's a little tricky getting your sails to work underwater. Maybe they just peak up. I'm assuming that's a function of the physics and from the depths that the sails will work underwater. And so very good use of the game mechanics by God Uranus here. And got some rams in the front, some massive broadsides, lots of metal armor. Very cool, very cool. This is the Future Maritime Rating System by God Uranus, and it's going to be going up against another dual entry here. We have the You Are a Pirate by Hyperpsychos. Gotta get a lot of R in there. This is a pirate ship battle after all, and these appear to these appear to be just a traditional pirate ship, fairly traditional, very cool. Got some rams here on the side, as well as cannons on both ships. Some sails in the middle, little cannons on front here. I'm interested to see how this does. This is another dual entry, and once again, this is the You Are a Pirate by Hyperpsychos. And now that we have got both of these ships introduced, or all these ships introduced anyway, I'm going to go ahead and speed it up, and we'll see what happens. Alright, the Future Maritime Rating System appears to be very fast, doing that, upside down, flying with sails in the water routine. And doing some damage here on this You Are a Pirate. Looks like its sails have been severely damaged already. That's going to slow it down considerably. Yeah, there's a huge broadside coming out of that rating system. Yeah, this other pirate's sails are also damaged, so these are going to be moving very slowly, and they are already the slower combatant. It looks like the Future Maritime Rating System is just going to be content to circle here, use its broadsides. So I'm not going to come in, not going to use those rams, not going to take that unnecessary damage unless it has to. And it doesn't look like You Are a Pirate has any answer. I mean, they're firing their cannons a little bit, but having a hard time landing on this fast-moving opponent. We just did lose the mass off of this You Are a Pirate, so it is going to be pretty much dead in the water now. And the other You Are a Pirate is it's down to very little sail left, so both of these are going to be pretty much dead in the water here. It looks like they don't have an answer for the speed of the Future Maritime Rating System. Just cruising along here, doing its thing. It's hard to believe this is a sail-powered ship. It's going so fast. I mean, I don't think it's quite as fast as the Miss Ion's runabout, but still a very respectable speed, and able to maintain its sails. It's keeping that speed up throughout the fight. And it just looks like it's only a matter of time now before the future maritime rating system gets the win in this fight. You are a pirate, very very cool entry, but just looks like it got a really hard first opponent, and we'll see some more of them down in the losers bracket. Let's get a damage report. All right, you are a pirate. It's at 83%. Looks like, unless they're both at 80, yeah, they are both at 83%. That's interesting. And then the future maritime rating system at 100%, not taking any damage in this battle. So this looks like another entry to watch. This very interesting use of game mechanics. Looks like it's going to pay off, and this ship will probably go fairly deep into the bracket. All right, just gonna let this play out a little bit longer. Give the You Are a Pirate a chance to, maybe get those rams. Oops, apologize for that. If the maritime system does decide to crash into either of these ships, it could change the outcome. But it looks like it's just going to stay out there on the broadside and just continue to pepper away. Oh, and there we actually see a pretty good broadside there coming out of the You Are a Pirate. Man, I might have called this a little too early. It looks like the You Are a Pirate is definitely still in this battle. Yeah, just more of the same here. It looks like the future maritime rating system is just, it's gonna stay in weapons range. Not get too close, not risk getting lit up here. As a few lucky shots from the You Are a Pirate do have a could change the pace of this battle. They could take out some of these sails here. That will definitely slow down the future maritime rating system and make it a little easier for him to land subsequent shots. You Are a Pirate, surprisingly tanky here. They didn't appear to be that heavily armored, but they're surviving long into this fight. They got their ammo barrels under a couple of layers of wood, deep in the ship. So far, not taking any damage to their ammo holds. It's been a good long while since the You Are a Pirate has got any damage off. Looks like it might get a few shots off here. But that future maritime rating system is staying, away from most of the damage. Very little of these shots from the You Are a Pirate are getting anywhere near the future maritime rating system. Yeah, it would appear the spinning by the UR pirates are actually, working against them. They're just not able to turn fast enough, so they're just constantly having either their front or their back pointed at the future maritime rating system, and not able to fire their cannons. If they were, just sitting still, they would actually be in a better position to, get those broadsides off as the future maritime rating system does its circling here. Alright, both UR pirates are down to 72%. Future maritime rating system taking a little damage, 99%. Alright, I'm gonna let this go just a couple more minutes. It looks like this battle's pretty much over. But I wanna go ahead and give the UR pirate a chance. You never know what's gonna happen in these from the depths fights. What crazy decision the AI is gonna make. So we'll let him go just a couple more minutes here before we call it. may have had a collision there. I was busy watching the cannon shots, and it looks like either a collision or another shot. Something's going on with this future maritime rating system. It is listing heavily and no longer able to point its cannons at the You Are a Pirate. We have a huge change in momentum here coming in again. Another collision. Unfortunately for the You Are a Pirate, not getting those grenades into the future maritime rating system. But oh, it's flipping back right side up now. And oh no, it is sinking. The future maritime rating system has I was just about to call the fight. I was giving it, another 2 or 3 minutes tops, and then we have a shift like this. So I'm really glad I kept the fight going. I did say in the tournament rules that I would run these for a half hour, and we have had a huge shift in momentum here. Both You Are a Pirates do have guns operating and firing away. This You Are a Pirate is in a lot better shape. It's still got, I'd say about 10 or 12 guns there, and the maritime future maritime rating system is in a serious pickle here. As you can see, it's still firing its cannons, but since they're firing underwater, these cannon shots are not making it anywhere near the You Are a Pirate. And unless it can right itself from this position, it's gonna end up losing this fight. Very fortunate for the You Are a Pirate that it's so close, and since the You Are a Pirate no longer has any propulsion, and it looks like the future maritime rating system is fleeing from the battle. I mean, it's hard to tell at this point which ship is moving away. It could be the recoil from the cannons pushing the You Are a Pirate, or the sails from the future maritime rating system pushing. I'm going to sit right here so we can see which ship is fleeing from the battle. It appears that the future maritime rating system is moving away from the battle. We're gonna give it a couple minutes here to right itself and head back towards the battle, or unfortunately, it will lose. In the rules, I specified that it was the opponent that was running away from the fight that would lose in the case of a stalemate. It appears the You Are a Pirate maybe moving in this direction very slowly. Yeah, the pirate is looks like it's moving in this direction extremely slowly, and the future maritime rating system is moving away. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my timer here. I believe I said 2 minutes. We'll start it here, and let me double check those rules, and we'll let it go. And it doesn't appear at this point that the future maritime rating system is going to be able to escape this position it's fallen into. Very unfortunate that this happened. I'm not exactly sure even what happened. It looks like maybe a collision with the side of the You Are a Pirate did enough to its weight distribution where it rolled all the way over and is now not able to get out of the water. Alright, that's 1 minute past. We got about 45 seconds left to go before we're gonna have to call this fight. Huge change of events. I almost called the You Are a Pirate out of this. At the very beginning, I thought that they were about to lose, but then they proved to be tanky enough to take the punishment from the Future Maritime Rating System and stick around, not get taken out of the fight. And then all it took was the one collision. The Future Maritime Rating System's AI just derped just a little bit and ran into. I'm guessing it ran into the rams, possibly right here, and it did enough damage to cripple the Future Maritime Rating System. And yeah, that's 2 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and call this battle. This is a win for You Are a Pirate by Hyperpsychos. Just a couple husks of ships left here, but still doing enough damage to win the fight. And it's a bad luck for the Future Maritime Rating System by God Uranus. It looked like it was going to win that battle up until the end there, and then just a little bit of bad luck got it in this awkward position in the water and not able to right itself. So I hope you guys enjoyed the battle. That's the end of the first round, and then we're going to be starting the second round here in the next video.